Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are jumping into my premium unboxing for my Boxycharm for the month of February. There's also going to be a giveaway in this video. I have an extra premium box, so one lucky subscriber is going to win a full premium box. Now it is the exact identical variation that I am going to be unboxing today, so if you want to see what is in that prize, just watch this video. To enter the giveaway, all you have to do is subscribe to my channel, like this video, and comment anything down below. Doesn't matter what you comment, I'm basically going to use a comment picker to pick a random comment. So, if that's something you're into, make sure to keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe and enter the giveaway, and let's jump right into the video. Alright, so theme card, if you guys saw my premium box, which I will link the premium unboxing up above, the theme is the same. It is Boxycharm XOXO, really cute, very Valentine's Day, very February, definitely a cool theme for the month. Now again, they did change the way they list the variations, so this is C2012-338-PM. PM I'm sure means premium, so I don't know if this is number 38, number 200 and 2,338, I don't know, but it's a big variation. We're going to be jumping into the first item. Now, this is from Huda. This is the Blue Aura Turmeric and Holy Basil Cleansing Water Micellar. It's a micellar water for cleansing. A powerful no-rinse cleanser formulated to make cleansing quick, effective, and delicious. Energized with a purifying Ayurvedic herbs, the cleanser sweeps away dirt, makeup, and pollution in one easy step, specifically formulated to combat skin-damaging pollutants before they take their toll. Retails for $29. Now, you guys know I don't like to open new products if I have one that's open, and I did recently start using the Fresh Kombucha Cleansing Treatment, which is also a no-rinse cleanser. So just to show you how easy it is to use a micellar water, I'm going to use this one on camera and set this one aside because why have three open micellar waters? So I'm just going to take a reusable cotton round, apply a liberal amount, and this is a no rinse, so I just use this to pull the micellar water along my face. Now, my skin is very sensitive and turns red the second I touch it. If you give it a couple seconds, it will calm back down, like I already see it calming down, but you can see a little bit of dirt coming off on the pad. I love cleansers like this, but I do always try to follow up with another cleanser. I wash my face when I shower at night. I shower in the morning. I try to use something like a no-wash cleanser, either as a first step before I double cleanse at night, or in the morning as like a refresh after I've washed my face. At night, I go to bed, while I do a full skincare routine, I'll wake up and I'll use a no-rinse cleanser before I do my daytime routine. You don't need something as powerful as like a foaming cleanser in the morning if you've just cleansed at night. I do also sleep on a silk pillowcase, so that also helps. The next item comes from Pure Cosmetics. This is the Submerged Overnight Detox Anti-Pollution Moisturizer. Deeply nourish and purify your skin overnight with the Overnight Detox Anti-Pollution Moisturizer that drastically helps reduce the appearance of dry skin, fine lines, and wrinkles with intense hydration and anti-pollution technology. Retails for $34. Now, I am going to apply this today because I am actually at the point where I am overdue for a new moisturizer. So we're going to use this one today. I know it's meant to be for night, but we'll be able to see how it sits on the face and how it feels and how it smells. So it does have like a dark gray color. It smells like nothing, which I really like. Definitely a little bit on the thicker side. That's not necessarily a bad thing. When you go to bed at night, you want to make sure that you are super hydrated. I saw a video somebody posted on TikTok, and it was basically like, if you don't look like you rubbed oil on your face at the end of the night when you go to sleep, are you really doing skincare? I don't necessarily agree with that sentiment, but I do want to feel really nice and hydrated. So it did go on nice and smooth. My skin feels a little tacky, which for a night cream is not the end of the world, but I actually think it's going to help really well under makeup, so this might actually be like a primer in disguise. We shall see. The next item out of the box comes from LoveScript. This is the Decollete and Neck Cream Leave-On Mask. Decadent, nutrient-rich leave-on cream mask will envelop the delicate skin of your décolleté and neck to reveal a velvety soft texture, restore its youthful contour and tone. Formulated with nutrient-rich rice proteins, a pre-probiotic complex, restorative extracts, and white truffle with black currant bud in a luxurious blend of shea and cocoa butter and heavenly essential oils. This mask makes a deliciously nightly treatment cream. Retails for $58. Just like with the micellar water, I do already have one that I've been using recently. So this one is from Dermalogica. This was sent to me, but this is not sponsored. It is the Neck Fit Contour Serum, which I have been using at night, just to kind of, keep, skincare does not stop at the neck, so take that all the way down the chest. So I've been really enjoying the Dermalogica one, and now that I think about it, when they sent it, I forgot to post a thank you on Instagram. So I'm gonna go do that now. But it's been here for about 2 weeks or so, and I've been enjoying it. So as far as neck creams, I think that it's something that I haven't really incorporated into my routine. But having liked the Dermalogica one, I will probably end up putting this one in the rotation next time. Though knowing my mother, when she sees this video, I'm going to get a text, so are you sending it to me? And then I'm just going to ship it to her. So next item in the box. All three of the last remaining products are all about eyes. So I'm going to go throw my base and complexion on, and I will be right back for us to jump into the next 3 items in the box. All right, we are back and onto the next item in the box. From Alamar Cosmetics, this is the Pero Primero Primer, Long Wear Sticky Pigment Base. Water-based primer is designed to glue eyeshadows in place to maximize color and pearl dimensions. It's water and wear resistant and enriched with shea butter to provide the skin conditioning and moisturizing benefits. Also works as a glitter glue mixed with your favorite concealer to customize the primer shade. Retails for $15. Now it does say you can layer it on top of stuff. I do have some powder on my lids just from when I was powdering my face, but I'm going to actually prime with this. So I'm just going to take a small amount on the tip of my brush, and let's prime the lids. All right, now that that's on, you guys know I don't love keeping a primer wet when I use it. I do prefer to powder it, so I'm going to just lightly powder it with whatever is left on my brush. I know to a lot of people that's going to be like blasphemy and the end of the world, but for me, I don't love working on a tacky primer. I find things blend a little bit better when they are set. Now they're still slightly tacky because again, I'm not putting any more powder on my brush. I'm really just working whatever powder is on there over the eye, and that's it. The next item in the box, actually I'm going to use the next 2 together, kind of. The next item is the Tarte Double Take Eyeliner. Get the perfect wing every time with this gel and liquid partners in line. Best-selling vegan dual-ended eyeliner has a waterproof liquid gel and liquid formulas to cause some serious double takes. It is full-size, made just for charmers, and is not for retail sale. Retails for $24. Now, I have used the Tarte liquid liner, and I have used the Tarte gel liner, so I guess the 2-in-1 is what's new. But I don't like wasting product, so I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty double-sided liner instead because it's open and I'd rather not open a brand new liner just for the sake of opening a liner when I've used Tarte eyeliners before and they're not bad. They're fine. They work just as well as the Hudas do. Speaking of Huda, the last item in the box is the Huda Beauty Pastel Obsessions eyeshadow palette in the color Lilac. Create limitless, we're going to try that again because words are hard. Create limitless looks from soft, pretty glam to bold runway styles. With these pigment-powered pastels, containing a variation of 9 dreamy mattes, high-shine metallics, and next-generation shimmer swirls. Retails for $29. That's what we're going to use today, and I'm going to use that with the Huda liner to create a look now. So jumping into a fluffy brush to start, I am going to use that middle shade as a sort of transition. I'm taking that on a fluffy brush. This is the Makeup Shack T46. And I'm going to just diffuse that lightly above the crease, and I'll intensify it later. Pastels are meant to be soft, so even if there's a lot of pigment, this is not going to be as if I'm going in with like a true brown. It's really more of like a taupey off pink, which on me is a color that I love for transitions. Please ignore the hair, it's wash day. Switching to a dense packer brush, this is the Delium Tool 776. I'm going to pick up that same color, and I'm going to intensify the crease a bit more, just so I get more definition in the immediate eye area. Going 1 shade down into the lighter taupey color, I'm going to just blend the crease out and blend it up. Now here's where we're going to bring the purple in. So I'm going to take the darkest purple shade down here, and I'm taking it kind of on the tip of that brush, and I'm going to pull that onto the outermost portion of the eye. I'm not taking it above the crease, I'm really just taking it into the socket and the outer corner because I really don't want it to be like up. I just want it down by the lid because this is what's going to help us deepen up our color later. All right, next up on a shadow brush, I think I'm going to go into that shade up top. It's the like multi-chrome purple. You guys know, me and purple shadows. I can't help myself. Now, this isn't really a review on this because I'm very familiar with the Huda formula. I have quite a bit of Huda shadows, but I'm definitely going to wet this because I do find that the Huda shadows specifically work amazing when they're wet, and you get much less fallout. All right, now that that is on and looking quite beautiful, if I may say so myself, I'm going to grab the brush that we've been using for blending, and I'm going to first start by gently blending out the crease just to make sure that any and all of the sparkles stay on the lid. And then mixing the dark shade in the middle and the darkest purple down here. Just going to do a little bit of that. I'm going to deepen up the outermost portion of the lid. I'm really happy with how that looks. All right, before I do the lower lash, I'm going to grab the gel liner, and I'm going to pop that in the waterline. Again, you can use the Tarte one that came in the box. I'm just using one that I already had open. On that same fluffy brush, starting with the, I'm going to go, normally I'll go darkest to lightest. This time I'm going to go lightest to darkest. So I'm going to take the lightest shade, and I'm going to just blend that around the liner. Then on a blending brush, I'm going to go into the darker shade. With the smallest part of the dual-sided blending brush, I'm going to take the dark purple. And I'm going to go really quite close to the lash line, almost on top of the liner, and just below it. Jumping into the first big blender brush we used, I'm going to blend from inner corner to outer corner, and then around, just to make sure everything is connected. On a tiny little baby brush, this is the Delium 755. I'm going to go into this shade down here. No, I'm going to take this one in the top right corner, and I'm going to highlight the inner corner. And with my pencil brush, I'm just going to blend around that, just so that it stays pinpointed to the inner corners. Now I'm going to skip liquid liner, so I'm going to go throw on a lip and a pair of lashes, and I'll be right back. All right, the face is done, and this is the final look out of this Boxycharm box. So going through the products, the primer I think held up really beautifully. Everything is nice and bold. It's not creasing, it's not moving. The palette itself worked beautifully. Like, I am loving this purple shade on the lids. I'm loving the pink on the inner corner. As for the liner, obviously I didn't use it, but I am familiar with the formula. And I mean, it's a liner. Liners are liner. I feel like I have so many liners. Those are lip liners. Sorry. I have so many liners. Those are eyeliners. And I have literal drawers in the closet of eyeliners because I feel like we always get more. So I am going to be dropping that in an upcoming giveaway. As for the face cream, my skin feels nice and hydrated. It's not tacky anymore, but obviously I put a lot of powder on. But it did really help my pores, so even though it is an overnight detox moisturizer, I might really like this under makeup, and there's nothing wrong with using things like that, because giving it that tackiness does help the makeup last longer during the day. All right, so I changed and started editing and realized that I never went over the value of the box. So this is the premium box, which is a $35 value. It is a retail of $199 worth of product. You guys can already tell I do like all of the items I tried today, so it is definitely a win for me. So let me know down below what you guys think. Don't forget to enter the giveaway, like, subscribe, and comment for the ability to win your own Boxycharm Premium Box. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!